Hey guys, it's Melissa here, and today I have another makeup video for you guys. But this time it is going to be my daily winter makeup kind of routine or like look. And I decided to do this type of look for the winter because it's more like extravagant. It kind of has more color. When winter is more like dull and like you don't really see as many colors or wear as many colors. So that's why I kind of do like this type of look. So let's just get into the video.
So first off, I'm going to go ahead and start by spraying my face with some toner water, and this is the Breath of Fresh Air from Lush. And then I'm going to start by moisturizing my face with some moisturizer that I got from Japan. It is very important to moisturize your skin in the winter as it is very drying for your skin and you want to have that hydrating, glowing skin type of look. Next, I'm going to grab my Stila One Step Corrector Serum, and I'm going to put this all over my face so that I can help with evening my skin tones and reducing redness of acne scars. So now I'm going to grab my MAC Select Cover Up Liquid Concealer, and I'm just going to place these on the spot where I see blemishes or my acne scars. And then once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and dab it into my skin so that it can kind of hide all of those little blemishes that I don't want people to see. So then I'm going to put on my Nivea lip balm so that I can prep my lips for later on and to let the lip balm absorb into my lips. So next I'm going to grab my Clinique All About Shadow Quad palette, and I'm going to grab the lightest color, the Nude Rose, and I'm going to put this all over my eyelid so that I can use it as a base for the next colors that I'm going to put on. So next I'm going to grab my Bare Minerals bronzer in the color Warmth, and I'm going to use this as an eyeshadow, and I'm just going to put this on my corner of my eye and then also on the crease line. And I'm just going to smooth this and kind of blend it so that it's not too prominent, but it's also very subtle and warm. So next I'm going to grab my Naked 3 palette, and I'm going to grab the Trick color, and I'm just going to place this along my eyelash line. Then I'm going to grab my Sephora white glitter type of looking eyeshadow. I'm just going to put this in the corner of my eye to brighten it up. So I'm going to grab my Naked 3 palette once again, and I'm just going to grab the Dark Heart color, and I'm going to use the thin side of my brush to draw like a winged eye with the eyeshadow. And you can do this with an eyeliner, however I do like the soft and subtle look that the eyeshadow gives. So next I'm going to grab my Chimera eyelash curler, and I'm going to curl my eyelashes with it, obviously. And I usually do 3 pumps, so 1 in the middle and 1 in each corner for each eye. And then once I'm done that, I'm going to grab my Colossal Volume mascara. And I am totally in love with this mascara because it makes my eyelashes look super long, and it is also waterproof. So next I'm going to grab my Anastasia Brow Definer, and I'm not sure if I'm doing this the correct way, but usually I just kind of fill it in, like draw a line on the bottom and just kind of blend it in with the brush at the end. And basically that's about it. So that's what you want to do for both eyebrows. And girls, remember this, your eyebrows and your eyeliners don't have to be exactly the same because they're sisters, not twins. So for the last step, I'm going to put my Clinique Chubby Stick lipstick in the Curvy Caramel color, and I'm just going to put this all over my lips because it does add like a little bit of color. And girls, you always should put on lipstick because it does make you look a lot more put together.
So I hope you guys liked this video, and if you guys did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below and comment any videos you guys would like to see next. So I hope to see you guys next time. Bye! Love you! So I'm not done yet. If you guys like this video, you guys would probably want to see some more videos made by me. So don't be afraid to click the boxes beside me. And there will be the latest videos that I posted before the one that you guys saw like today or like right now. So go click on them. And don't forget to check out my Instagrams, and they'll be linked down below as well as my website. So bye. I'll get out of your hair.